All right, friends, so as promised, here is just a quick little video about course navigation. So this is the front page of our prior learning course. If you can see over here on the side, there are all sorts of handy tabs for certain things. But really the most important thing is to just start to work through the module. So work through module 1 first. It gives you a bit of a roadmap of what is going to be happening in terms of assignments. You've got your due dates, it's got an approximate time estimate, it's got some points as well. So you kind of get a vision of what the week is going to look like. You can mark things as done as you complete them, but really all you need to do is make your way through the course by clicking next. It'll take you through everything. Obviously, some things are just to be read. So this is where certain videos are going to be. You're going to have your syllabus quiz. You'll take your quiz, go on to next, and just kind of make your way through the course in that way. We've got a couple of different platforms that we use outside of Canvas. We use Flipgrid, which is a video introduction post. We'll do some Flipgrids later in the semester as well. This gives you some details about how to do so. You're going to be divided up into 2 groups depending on your last name. There'll be about 10 people per group. So just make sure that you're clicking on the correct one. The other one that we're using is called Hypothesis, and this is an annotation tool for the textbook and for some other things as well. So there's instructions here about how to do this. This gentleman is Baker. He's the one who you will see occasionally throughout the course in the different videos. He's the one who wrote the textbook, designed the course. I am just temporarily the keeper of the course for this semester while he teaches a couple of other things. So it's really quite simple. Canvas is pretty user-friendly, but of course this is the first time that we are using it as instructors. This is the first time you are using it as students at Boise State. So if there are ever any issues, please don't hesitate to let me know right away. Reach out. One of the best places to do that is in discussions. This course questions. This is the place where you'll want to ask of all your questions, especially in terms of what it's listed here. So logistics, technology, things that you don't understand. Obviously, if you have a personal question about your grade, you'll want to send me an email about that. Please make sure to click subscribe over here. That will give you an alert whenever someone's posted, and that just ensures that we are all aware of what questions are being asked and what questions are being answered, especially if there turns out to be questions that seem to be especially well asked amongst the class. Under syllabus, you'll see our course syllabus and schedule. You'll see information about me. If we do end up having an assistant instructor, information about them will be there as well. So that is how Canvas works for the most part. Of course, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. If things don't seem to be working, use that course discussions thread in order to do so. But I am really looking forward to using this platform. I think it's really quite user-friendly, it works pretty well, and I would love to hear your feedback on how that goes. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about this. And as I've said before, looking forward to having you in the class.